guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a pinky springtime look. I don't know, really, if I'm being honest, I don't know. So today I was just kind of messing around and I've been playing with my new film setup. And I figured I'd do this look because what I did is I've pulled out some of my go-to products that I've put kind of right here just out of the line of the camera, and I thought to myself, let's grab some palettes I haven't used on camera before. So I grabbed this guy out of a palette. This is the color Raine Lovelies palette. These were like little 6 shadow palettes that they came out with a while ago. I want to say it was last year, maybe even the year before that. So this one's kind of like the cool toned. It's got some grays, red, blue, pink, and I thought, ooh, that's kind of springtimey. And then after I finished this look, I was sitting here and I went, kind of looks like I turned myself into Valentine's Day about a month too late. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you are in the right place. Just keep watching. Okay guys, so here it is, the finished look. As you can see, it wasn't too difficult. I think palettes like these where there's 6 colors are such a fun challenge. You know, when you look at 6 shadows, especially ones like these where you kind of look at it and at first glance you're going, how do I make this more visible? There we go, turn it like this. At first glance when you look at this you go, 6 shades. How do I make this work? It's definitely an interesting makeup challenge, I guess, for lack of a better word. But I definitely like this. I think I'm going to buy some of the other ones of these, assuming they're still available. Whew. What is my hair doing? I'm sorry guys, I just showered last night and I slept with my hair wet. So my hair is kind of going a little crazy right now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and you like seeing me try to challenge myself with different palettes, let me know down below because I might pull out some other ones that I haven't done, or I might do picking my makeup blindfold challenge. I recently just rearranged all my makeup in the other room, and I'm going to be doing a tour soon to show you guys how I have everything set up now with my new lights and my backdrop and everything like that. So that'll probably be, actually that should be up before this video goes up. So if that is the case, I will link it up here for you guys to check it right on out. If it hasn't come out yet, then that means it's coming soon. But I'm definitely planning to do that. I'm rolling out a whole bunch of new testing videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here to my channel and you enjoyed my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you guys enjoy getting to see me play with makeup randomly and doing little tutorials like this that are nice and short, also give this video a thumbs up because that way I know you guys like these kinds of videos and I know to do more of them in the future, especially now that I'm trying to change up a lot of things here on my channel. I want to ensure that what I'm putting out is something you guys are actually interested in seeing. I mean, yes, it's important that I like the content I'm putting out, but I don't want to put something out and nobody's going to like it or watch it. So, yeah, that seems a little rambly, didn't it? I think I'm going to go now. Bye!